Hey guys, Amelia here with Mom Bear Reviews, and we are back today with another review, and this one's a fun one because so many of you loved my clubbed thumb nail tutorial that I came back with another one. I've been loving how I've been able to do my nails at home. It has saved me so much money. Instead of going and sitting there for hours on end while they do my nails, now I can do it right at home. If you haven't seen that video, I will link it down below. Go check it out, especially if you were born or have clubbed thumbs, which are like this. I have a whole video on all that. So today's video is more about nails, but it's a little bit more fun. Instead of just doing like one plain color, I've always wanted to do these really cool designs and how these people have like these beautiful nails with all these intricate designs or colors, and it's just absolutely stunning. And I have found a way I can do that at home. I got these drippy kind of like it was giving melted crayon look. It's a back to school look. I am obsessed with how they turned out. So I want to thank Manology for sending me the products to try. I've tried, I've tested, I love, so I wanted to share with you guys. This is the kit it comes with. This case I got at Target. It did not come in this case, but it's just easier for me to put it on here. I will link the case below because I love how like clear and see-through it is. But let's open it and let's dive in. What makes Manology different is I am not a person that has a steady hand and can use a pen to like detail and make. I can't even do those flower designs that they do at the salon, and I've watched so many videos on it. I just can't do it. I don't have a steady hand. I have too harsh of a hand. It's just no. This kit has been a game changer. So what is cool about it, it's actually a stamp kit. So no more stickers that fall off, no more trying to glue gems on, like no. They come in these little like stencil kits. So they have these kits. This blue film's just a protective. They look like this, and they have all sorts of different designs that you actually use this stamper that it comes with. I have a video here I'll pop up of me doing it. It is so easy to use. It's just like this sticky, it's not even sticky, it's just like this little bouncy thing. So nail polish, add it on, take the scraper it comes with and just slide down, then take the stamper, roll it, do not press hard. I made that mistake. I was sitting here going like this, don't do that, it won't work. Just gently roll it, the design sticks to here, and then you just stamp it on your nails and it is done. Like so easy. It comes with a smudge-free top coat. The kits I will link below. I also got to squirt a discount code for you guys, or a discount link, so use it down below and you can get some money off. The kits are amazing. It comes with everything you need. It comes with a I think this kit I got came with these two colors, and it came with a stamp kit, and so yeah, and it came with the stamp kit, the scraper tool, and the stamper. So you get everything you need with one kit. It is so easy. I highly recommend. I love it. They have so many fun color options, all different like color nail polishes. They all work great. And yeah, they have a base coat, a sticky base coat to make it stick better, a top coat. Seriously, everything you need comes with it. I have been loving this kit. I mean, like, how cute are these nails? So how I got these drippy ones is actually with these kind of drippy designs right here. I used these to kind of get the different ones. I just put different colors, stamp them on, and then I did them on the opposite side. I did my same fake nail routine, but before I glued them on my nails, I left it on the little stand that I have, and I stamped everything, let it cure, let it dry, then I glued them on to get this design. I'm obsessed with them. So many different designs to try. I will never have boring nails again. And they have designs for Halloween and Christmas, so snag it now if you want fun, fall, festive, holiday nails. They have so many designs to choose. They have so many designs to choose from. This comes off. You just clean it with nail polish remover and you are ready to go. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Comment down below what design you think would be so cool for nails for me to do next. I'm thinking fall vibes, maybe leaves, pumpkins, I don't know. Comment down below what I should do next, and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in the next video.